Hi, I am SD Saxena and I am a civil servant. I was working in IAS and worked in telecom sector for a long time. I had visited all over the world. I had gone to New York, I had gone to Chicago, Houston, and I have seen a number of hospitals all over the world. I would say that Apex Hospital is a world-class hospital with professionals of very high level. Where I live, close to my place, is the JP Hospital, which is a very advanced hospital with a helipad facility. People from all over the world come to get treatment there, and the Sheikh of Saudi Arab also comes there. People told me that you should go to JP Hospital, but I chose Apex Hospital because Dr. Shailen Srivastav is a high-level professional orthopedic surgeon. He has done a very large number of knee replacement operations. Although coming to Jaipur was a little inconvenient, but despite that I chose the Apex Hospital. My experience with Apex Hospital has been very pleasant. I was emotionally touched when the owner and the head of this hospital, Dr. S.B. Jhawar, came to see me twice and asked about my well-being. Dr. Shailen Srivastav, being a very high-level professional, is a little tough on the patients. Sometimes he is shouting at me, but I think that's what the professionals do because he is a great professional. If he doesn't do that, the patients will do things which will harm them. So I thank all the people, especially the staff, the nursing staff, Dr. Shailen Srivastav, and above all Dr. S.B. Jhawar, who has been very kind to me. Thank you very much.